Well, with every passing hour, there's more and more that happens. We have the wet sanded out apron and front fender, as well as the front grille on, and we even have the hood on, but the hood's been sanded and needs to be buffed out. So as I pull back a little bit, starting more to look like a Land Cruiser here. Just a sharp and brilliant color. Also have the brackets on. With the original hardware. There are little rubber cushions underneath that. Throughout the details on this whole restoration as it goes back together, there'll be things like little rubber cushions, little spacers, rubber spacers in here, grommets, things of that nature that really make the detail. And those will go back on. So it's starting to really come together here nicely.